2 decades ago, we began with a simple mission: to care for water, to restore it, to keep it alive. From pool maintenance and repairs to design and creation, our hands have shaped countless backyards, each one reflecting a dream. For over 20 years, we've built trust, refined our craft, and turned experience into art. Because water moves, it transforms, it adapts, and so have we. What began as JMC Pools has now become something greater, an evolution of who we are and what we create. This is Liquid Luxe, born from water, guided by light, crafted for those who seek serenity in motion. Our name has changed, but our essence remains: clarity, craftsmanship, and connection. We build more than backyards. We shape sanctuaries of light and water, designed for those who find peace in every ripple and reflection. Liquid Luxe. Design, build, escape.